All right, so we're going to be testing several fast chargers for the iPhone 10, and we're going to see which one actually performs well. There's several of them I'm going to be comparing, which are the original Apple ones from 10 watts, 29 watts, or 27 watts, and the 61 watt one, as well as some alternatives that I found on Amazon that will do USB-C, claiming to do quick charging. And just going a few of them just to have a benchmark, just to show you how fast you can go and the cost of them. Now, this is what we discovered the first time we were doing this. We're getting terrible results, and there's several of them I'm going to go through. And that's apparently because we don't have the quick charger cable, which apparently nobody talks about. Everybody talks about the quick charger adapters and power, but not about the actual cable. And apparently you need a special cable to be able to go up that high. So here, as you can see, some of the tests we did. Some of these are supposed to do a lot better what they claim, but we're actually getting terrible numbers, as you can see over here. Now it's going to go a little bit fast here. These numbers will come up at the end if you want to skip all the way to the end to the conclusion to show you the how much watts you're going to be pulling from each one based on different tests. What I did also is besides testing for the iPhone, I also tested if they can actually charge a MacBook Pro 13-inch, because some of these power adapters that you probably already own actually run for the MacBook. So here's we did now with the non-USB-C Lightning cable, and now once we bought the official one, $35 later, I know, as ridiculous as that sounds, it cost us as much as the actual power adapter. But here we're going to see some real numbers. So this here is a 29 watt charger, and we're doing about 14 volts, 14.6 volts, and 0.95 amps. Sorry for the shaky camera. Again, I'm speeding the video up here because I don't want to waste too much of your time. And again, all these numbers will come at the conclusion. So that's the, sorry, this is the 61 watt one. So we're doing 9 volts, 1.67 amps, give or take. All right, so this is the 29 watt one. The previous one was actually the 61 watt one. So here we're doing 14.5.6 volts and about 99, 95 amps. And at this moment, we're giving you the best case scenario, right? So using Apple cable, Apple chargers, as high as they can go. I mean, we can get the 89 watt one, but it's not going to get any faster than that. So these are now some alternatives for much cheaper, which you will see at the end. We're getting 9 volts and 1.51 amps, 148 amps, give or take. There's another alternative, the Anchor one, 5 volts and 2.25 amps. I think it's important to look at these ones because some of them actually show you the that actually it's not just the amperage that goes up or down, it's actually also the voltage. See, this is the Apple one. Now we did the non-USB-C one just to compare basically the older ones, how much. See, you can get a 10 watt on this one. It says 12 watts, but you're getting about 10.4 watts, 10.3 watts. This is if you don't have any quick chargers. And the non-Apple certified USB-C to Lightning fast quick charger. Just to give you a point of reference. So I'm going to show you this in the end at the chart just to show you how much of a difference it makes. And as a big bonus at the end is I'm going to show you if you buy those power adapters bricks, can you actually also charge your MacBook Pro? Again, I only tested it with 13-inch, but it's a good test. See here, as you can see, if you want to pause also the video, you can also take a look at these numbers. See, the yellow ones seems to be the best for your buck. I mean, if you look at the cost of these things, the Dodo or the Tenswall, $37.15, and is performing almost as good as the 61 watt adapter, and that's charging the USB-C for your iPhone X and for the MacBook Pro. Even if you want to get the regular 12 watt one from the Apple or the iPad charger, you're getting similar, if not better, results for $15 or $25. So you almost never want to buy the Apple chargers. It doesn't make any sense. You want to buy their cable, unless some other company make as good cable that claim they can do that. But Yeah, at this point, I didn't really see any cables that are capable, at least on Amazon, that they say they can actually allow that much watt to go through. But if you find an alternative for the cable, please let me know. But as for the chargers themselves, these are the ones I recommend. I mean, some give you higher voltage, lower amps, but they give some in some places even better than the Apple chargers. So it's cheaper and faster. And these are based on the results. Again, I was testing it on the MacBook Pro and on the iPhone X. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please leave me below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you.